Hello friends, today I'm gonna review Awe's latest T11 earphones. These are bought from AliExpress. I'm from India and online retailers are overpricing this product. So I found convenient to buy it from AliExpress and they did a great job. I just received this product within 20 days from China to India, and customs guys here at India did a great job. They cleared it within a day or two. I have used it for one day, 24 hours, and on that I'm reviewing it. I think I should share my experience on sound quality, my opinions about the sound quality and the build, basically, uh, and the battery backup also. So here is the packet I have received, and I told you that this is a mock unboxing. So I have already used this product. And this is came like this with a packet and typical AliExpress packaging. And inside the packet, this is the box. This is the box I've received, and first of all, the packing is not so good. You can see the box didn't came in shape. Some wear and tears here and there, and you can see the Awe branding here, and also it claims that explosive bus, and it also claims that its music playback time is about 4 hours, talk time is about 6 hours, and standby time is about 200 hours. For first impression, I'd like to say that they are not claiming anything lie. I listened music throughout this afternoon after a full charge, and this product give a good amount of battery backup, which is satisfying, I think. So in this packet, you can see, of course, the main earphones comes within a pouch, plastic pouch, and also a huge long user manual with English one side and the other side is Chinese. All the literatures are here. This is very helpful, I think. All the instructions, how to use, how to maintain the product, how to handle, and what about the connectivities, all are mentioned in this manual. You will get a USB charger cable from USB to micro USB with it, and some earbud adjusters, 2 pairs of earbuds. You can change those earbuds according to your comfort. Okay, so this is the packet you will receive. Now I will open this tiny packet and I'll show you what is inside this. The 4 earbuds and some tools to who want to use this product as a sports item. Okay, so here is the earphones. Now the build is quite good. The earphones have magnets behind it which sticks together, and the control panel has 3 buttons, one plus, one minus, and one is a receive button or function button. And here's the charger socket on the bottom end of the module, and this is a quite good build. The earphones are made with a kind of metal, I think, which is quite good. The wires or cables are of good quality. The earbuds or cushions, ear cushions are also very soft and comfortable. But what about sound quality? Now you can see the earphones, and they are quite good. Now about the sound quality, I'd like to say that they are quite decent in sound on this price range. But as the claim, here in this packet, that is explosive bass, and this is not explosive bass, I think, because these are quite decent bass for a mature listener, but not a very deep bass. Uh, the the sound, the treble, midtones, and the bass is quite balanced in this earphones. And I've checked it with a YouTube video, and I can listen till 40 hertz to about 1500 plus some frequency on my audibility. And this is, if you turn on the product, and you have to, for connect it to your phone, you have to turn it on, and it will blink like this. Then you have to have your phone with you, and once you have your phone with you, here it is, and you have to open the Bluetooth like a normal pairing with music, and here you can see it is paired. So now it is paired, and it will blink a blue light until the battery drains out, and when the red light is blinking, you have to recharge it. Written on the manual that it will give another 15 minutes of talk time after starting blinking on red. And also it beeps a sound on your ear if you're talking or listening music before it shuts off, quite before it shuts off. And this is quite this is quite helpful for users. And it also compatible with the phones which can receive or the voice commands, and also it also you can switch between calls with it. So this is a quite good product on this price range. But I'd like to say that those guys who really love or really need deep bass, don't go for it. This is not a deep bass product. This is a mature bass for a mature listener, or who like to listen a moderate kind of bass, but it never produce a deep bass, I think. So this is a quite good product. I don't know how long it will last, or lost maybe, but I'm satisfied with this product for its quality, build, and sound quality, and the battery backup. I think you should definitely go for it, and you will also be satisfied, I think, if you are not searching for a deep bass for a budget round the neck earphones. Thank you, thanks a lot. I don't have any YouTube channel. You don't have to subscribe my channel. You don't need to like my channel. I have just shared my opinion. Thank you all for listening me show patiently. One more thing, I'm not a fluent English speaker. My native language is not English. So if there is any mistake, please forgive me. Apologies in advance. Thank you. Thanks a lot.